Hello, beautiful souls! Today, I'm excited to share a delicious and healthy recipe for chia pudding that's not only easy to make but also packed with nutrients. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, which are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. A cup of almond milk, about 8 ounces, for a creamy texture. A tablespoon of cocoa powder to give it a rich chocolate flavor. A tablespoon of honey. You can adjust to your taste for sweetness. Half a cup of fresh blueberries, or more if you prefer extra fruit. And finally, 2 tablespoons of almond flakes, which you can toast for added crunch. Start by combining the chia seeds, almond milk, cocoa powder, and honey in a bowl or jar. Make sure to stir well so that the cocoa powder and honey are fully dissolved into the mixture. Next, cover the bowl or jar and place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or even overnight. This step is crucial, as it allows the chia seeds to absorb the liquid and thicken, creating that delightful pudding texture. Once the pudding has set, give it a good stir to break up any clumps. Now it's time to add your toppings. Top it off with fresh blueberries and almond flakes for a tasty crunch. Finally, enjoy your chia pudding chill. If you'd like, you can drizzle a bit more honey on top for extra sweetness. There you have it, a simple, nutritious, and delicious chia pudding that you can enjoy anytime. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.